In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Notion workspace aesthetics with a setting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your workspace easier on the eyes and better suited to the kind of work you do. Start by opening Notion in your browser and signing in to your workspace. Give it a second to load your homepage or dashboard so you can see changes as you make them. Next, head into Settings. You'll find it via the gear icon or through your workspace menu on the left sidebar. Inside Settings, look for Appearance. This is where you can switch between light and dark modes. Light mode gives you a bright, clean look that's great for daytime use in well-lit rooms. Dark mode lowers glare, which can make long sessions more comfortable in low light. As you switch, Notion updates instantly, so you can immediately judge which option feels better for your eyes and your screen. Now open a page you use frequently. In the top right corner of that page, click the three dots to access layout and typography controls that apply to this page. Start with full width. Turning this on lets your content stretch across the entire screen. It's especially helpful for wide databases, dashboards, multi-column layouts, and big visuals. If you prefer a focused reading experience or you're working with simple notes, leave full width off to keep a narrower, more book-like column. Next, try small text. Enabling it slightly reduces the text size so more fits on the screen at once. And this is great for dashboards and dense notes where you want to scan quickly without scrolling. If readability and comfort are your priority, say for journaling or documentation, keep it off for larger, easier to read text. From the same menu, choose a font. Default gives you a clean, modern, all-purpose look that works for most pages. Serif is ideal for long-form writing and reading, lending a traditional literary feel that can improve focus on paragraphs. Monospace suits code, technical notes, or anyone who prefers a structured grid-like aesthetic. Toggle through each option and see which one lines up with your content and your personal style. Match your settings to your use case. For dashboards and project boards, full width plus small text will maximize space and visibility. For reading heavy pages, a narrower layout, larger text, and a friendly, legible font will keep you comfortable over time. Finally, experiment freely. These options are easy to turn on and off. They won't affect your teammates and they won't break your pages, only how they look to you. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.